Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Survival English. Today, we're joining Selena Gomez and Leonardo DiCaprio as they talk about something everyone loves, their favorite season. Let's listen and learn together. Selena and Leonardo are sitting on a bench with iced coffee. Birds are singing, soft sunlight shines through the trees.
What a beautiful morning! Finally some sunshine after all that rain.
Yeah, it's amazing. New York looks alive again. I think spring is officially here.
Spring! My favorite time of year. Flowers, fresh air, blue skies. It just makes me smile.
Really? I like spring too. But my favorite season is definitely autumn.
Autumn? Why? It's cold and windy.
That's what I love. I like quiet days, golden light, and the sound of leaves when you walk. It feels peaceful.
Vocabulary tip. Leaves, the green parts of a tree that change color in autumn. Peaceful, calm and relaxing.
Okay, but nothing beats summer. I love the ocean. Late sunsets and beach walks. It's my favorite season for music and travel.
Summer is great, but it can get so hot. Remember last year in LA? It was 40 degrees.
Yeah, I almost melted. But summer nights are perfect. Concerts, friends, and ice cream at midnight.
True, I love those warm evenings when the city feels alive.
Warm evenings and feels alive. Great expressions to describe summer nights.
What about winter? Do you like it?
A little. I love the holidays, cozy sweaters and hot chocolate. But I don't like waking up early when it's dark and freezing.
Same here. I like snow when I'm filming somewhere quiet, but not when I have to drive in it.
Oh, I know. One snowstorm and everything stops. Except the coffee shops.
That's true. I think winter's nice when you're inside, watching movies and staying warm.
Useful word, cozy, means warm, comfortable, and safe. Example, winter evenings are cozy.
But spring, that's special. Everything wakes up again. Flowers, trees, even people's moods.
Yeah, there's hope in the air. I love how parks look after the rain. Clean, green, and bright.
Exactly. And I get so inspired to write songs in spring. It feels like a fresh start.
A fresh start. I like that. That's the best part of spring. New beginnings.
Quick English tip. A fresh start means a new beginning, or a chance to begin again.
Look at that sunset! That's one thing I love about every season. The sky always finds a way to be beautiful.
You're right. In summer, it's golden. In autumn, it's deep red. In winter, it's soft and blue. And in spring, it glows.
Wow, poetic. You should write a book, Leo.
Only if you write the soundtrack for it.
Deal. 4 Seasons, the movie, coming soon.
Season, time of the year, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Example, my favorite season is summer. Cozy, warm and comfortable. Example, winter nights are cozy. Peaceful, calm, relaxing. Example, autumn is peaceful. Fresh start, new beginning. Example, spring feels like a fresh start. Sunset, when the sun goes down. Example, the sunset is beautiful.
So, maybe every season has something special.
Yeah, I think you're right. Spring brings hope. Summer brings fun. Autumn brings peace. And winter brings rest.
Perfect balance, just like life.
Exactly. And right now, I just want a coffee before it gets cold again.
Same here. Let's go before your autumn mood takes over again.
Great job, everyone! Today, you learned how to talk about seasons, weather, and feelings, just like Selena and Leonardo. Now, tell us in the comments, what's your favorite season and why? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning English with Easy Survival English.